Still think creating such a website on your own is difficult? I'll say it isn't. With the Pixby service, it only takes 5 minutes. So let's get going. First, select a convenient registration method. You can create an account using Apple, Google, or fill out a form. I choose the third option and fill in all the required fields. I receive a verification code in my email. If you don't see the code in the main folder, check the spam folder. And then we move on to filling out the profile. In the administrative panel, you have the option to add information about the website, portfolio galleries, services, your orders later, and additional configuration information. Let's start with the latter. Here you have the option to choose a description, currency, language, and add a subdomain. These fields will be important for the identification of your website. Also, in the same section, we choose the language, currency, and move on. In the sidebar, select Website and begin filling out the page. Let's start with uploading photos for a more presentable website appearance. In this section, you can add a title to each photo and a description if necessary. I choose to simply upload photos so that the main page immediately introduces visitors to my works. On the website, these photos will be available in the form of a slider that switches automatically. Next, we move to the Raise section. We select a photo, can also change the focus point, and add a title and a more detailed description. There is also the option to choose an action. An action on the site could be opening an order services window or navigating to the next section. I choose to proceed via a link or referral and add my Instagram, and it's done. Next, we move to the reviews. In this section, add the client's name, link, or referral to their profile, as well as copy the review or feedback from a message. In the FAQs section, you can provide information for any potential questions a client might have. To do this, you need to enter the question or topic you want to address and provide an answer or reply. The number of questions or topics is unlimited. Moving on to the Contacts section. In Contacts, you can add a phone number, an email, your address, or a web page. You can choose from all the available options for adding contacts or just a few functions, as I have chosen. In the sidebar, we select services. In this section, you can add information about the services you provide, add a name, a more detailed description, and a price in the currency you chose initially, as well as a photo. Also, in the Services section, you can edit information about the services after you have added them, and there's also an option to hide a service if one of your services is currently unavailable and bring it back on the site in the future. We return to the sidebar and select Portfolio. The portfolio is a section that will help you promote yourself and showcase your works to clients. Here you can add an unlimited number of albums and arrange them in any order, regardless of the uploading sequence. To start populating your portfolio, click Add Work. Enter the title, which will later be in the link, and it can also be edited. Add photographs that you would like to display on your site. You can also change the main photo of the album after uploading other photographs. In the video, I repeat my actions twice so that I can show you later how to change the order of the albums regardless of how they were uploaded. In the left corner of each album, there is a button that allows you to change the arrangement by pressing it and dragging the albums to the desired place. Well, congratulations, the site is created. Click the link to your site and we see the same site we saw at the beginning, only just created together.